y'all, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be retwisting my microlocs. I've been retightening, but I'm lazy, so I think for the rest of this year I'm just going to retwist and see how that does. I was kind of skeptical at first, but I've seen this woman on Instagram. I have to find her name or whatever, but she actually starts her microlocs with coils, and she also maintains them with coils, and she has some very successful people with microlocs that get retwist and actually locks and all that. So because retwisting takes less time and I don't have to focus on whether I'm putting a tool through the wrong lock and all that jazz, I usually can just sit down, watch TV, and retwist my hair without a mirror. So hopefully this works out, and hopefully I don't stop doing it in less than a month. So we're gonna see how this go, and I'm gonna try a couple of different products. Like in this video I'm probably just gonna do tight hold or just nothing at all, just my wet hair and some oil. I'm not sure yet, we'll figure that out. But I may try a couple of products to see which one I actually like the best in a few videos, not this one. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try to do that today. So yeah, if you want to see me retwist my hair, and if you just want to see how it goes, then keep watching, cause niggas be playing. And also I forgot to add that I did recolor my roots. So I just washed my hair, I just refreshed my roots. My hair is a completely different color than it was, but I'm not mad at it. I actually kind of like it. It's kind of what I was going for the first time, but I didn't get it right the first time. So yeah, my roots, I kind of have hot roots. But when I retwist it, it's going to make it a little bit darker, and when my hair actually dries, the rest of my hair will be a little bit lighter. So hopefully it, you know, it kind of evens out after I get done. And if you see me looking off, I'm looking at my iPad that I'm using as a viewfinder, because I'm actually using my iPhone to record this video. So yeah. But this is my hair. I have a good bit of new growth, I would say. It's enough and to actually see a difference. So we're gonna again hope this works out, and I'm gonna get started. So yeah, I don't know what happened to my audio for this part of this video, but I'm gonna be using Tight Hole by Taliah Waajid. I hope I said that right. I'm gonna be using this to retwist my hair. I have used this before. I really do like this. It gives you a little bit of hold, but it doesn't give you a lot of buildup, and it's easy to wash out. And I feel like it also does moisturize your hair as well. So I'm going to be using this, but I may test out a few different other products as I do my other retwists as well.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud, and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet and
oh man, this is one that was combined.
Been a few hours, but I feel
And I'm gonna use this clear rubber band. I do have rubber bands that are the same color as my hair, but I don't know what I did with them, and I don't feel like searching for them, so I'm just gonna stick with these clear ones. They may pop as soon as oil hits them because that's just what the clear ones do, but yeah, that's what we're gonna use.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get to know maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know.
That's what I'm gonna do to my whole head. I'm not gonna bore y'all and show you the whole process, but if you would like to see me like retwist my whole head, just let me know and I'll do it in the next video. I know some people do enjoy that, but I just don't want to like take up all y'all's time watching me retwist. And I know that my parts are not the cleanest. I'm not so worried about my grid anymore. I'm just worried about you know, having enough hair in each lock so where they don't fall out. Also, that is why I'm switching to retwisting, because if I retwist, if I need to go back and fix my parts or recreate a lock or something like that, it's easy for me to do it. Because when you interlock, it's kind of set in, it's not really set in stone, but it's set. And it takes a bit to get it unraveled. So if I retwist, I can just comb it out and like fix my part. And I do have a few locks in like the middle section of my head that I need to figure out what's going on with the parting. I talked about it before, how some of those were combined and I took them apart. Some of those locks, like the parting is so large that I just want to go in and kind of remove some of that hair. And if I need to create a new lock or two, I want to do that before, you know, my hair is significantly longer. And I do have a couple of double locks, well, like from when they were combined, and I have like 2 heads, so I may just snip one of those off or something and attach it. I'm not sure yet, but I do plan to reconstruct that part of my head sometime, if not today, sometime soon. So yeah, and that is also why I'm retwisting, so that I can fix that section. And I may actually interlock that section since it will be so new, but I'm gonna try retwisting it and see what happens. But yeah, I'll come back when I'm done with my head, or you know, halfway done or whatever it may be, and I'll show you how my hair is looking.
I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shot glass, shot glass, shot glass. 5 years of dating, tired of being patient. What the fuck you waiting for? Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hating, and I don't entertain them. But damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. Don't wasting my time with you. Okay, okay, since you gotta have it your way, I'ma start that clock on you. We gon' see what's up when a nigga pull up on me. Got a nigga back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish these niggas back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shot glass, shot Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel
So this is one of the locks I was talking about where it was combined up here at the top of my head, but it was so much hair that it doesn't want to be a part of that lock. So I'm just going to make it a single lock itself like it used to be. It is pretty short. So I think I'm just going to grab one of my locks that has 2 ends to it, and I'm just going to snip one of those off. I know this is not recommended. I know it's not good for the lock. It could damage it, but honestly, I do not care. So I'm just going to take my little box cutter and I'm going to cut off one of the legs. I'm going to try my best not to like damage it too much, you know, but I'm going to cut it off and I'm going to reattach it to that lock that needs, you know, that I just retwisted pretty much. And that's it.
wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
And also, I like to mention, this is my first time using this tool to try to reattach a lock. I've never done this before, ever. I just watch videos, so I know my technique probably isn't the best, but guess what? It worked for me in the long run. So we're just going to continue with what I just did. I'm trying to record this, but I'm having a really hard time. So, and I still look crusty. So, I finished the back of my head. And the lighting in here is kind of weird. So I'm just gonna do the front. My hair is kind of dry up here. So and it hurts. I'm so tender-headed in the front of my head. Am I bald? It look like I'm missing hair. Am I bald-headed? Oh my God. So this is how my hair is looking fully completed. Each plait has at least like 6 locks in it. Some more, some less. But for the most part, I try to keep it consistent with 6. I actually look bald-headed up here in the top of my head. I thought I had went bald from putting that toner on my hair because it did burn. And I actually do have a burn. Like, I got burned. But that's to say, even before I fixed my roots and toned it, I already was having issues with my scalp. So I don't even know why I did that anyway. But this is my hair. And I'm gonna go sit under the dryer and I'm gonna call it a day. And I guess whenever I decide to take down my plaits, I'll just come back and make a video. So yeah, this is my hair. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video.